A very good morning to you on day 5, day 6. Not quite sure which one it is now. But yeah, we're done at this place. We've finished. We've had some lovely times here. Lovely 2-bed, right on the beach. We've really enjoyed this house. And we're off to another place now, which is pretty nearby, which is by the river. So we'll see you there in a minute. Okay, so we're about 1 mile or 2 miles away now. We're on the river. And wow, this place is shockingly beautiful. So no longer by the sea, by the river. As you can see there, we've got an amazing pool right in front of us that you can see there. The house is incredible. I'll show you a bit more of that later. Just been to the market and bought some fantastic vegetables, some shrimps, prawns, fish. Yeah, I love it here. So I've been to the market today. As you can see, we've got an amazing amount of stuff. Got this amazing tuna here. This one here is not tuna, it's called something else, but I can't remember the name, what they said. It's slightly more expensive, a bit more tasty. And really, I mean, this is a huge amount. These are really thick cuts of tuna. 1 kg or kilo of these shrimps here, which are incredible. And then an array of vegetables like cooking bananas, plantains, okra, sweet potato, leeks, carrots, beetroots, eggplants, French beans, so much different stuff here, and all pretty amazing and pretty cheap. This comes to about sort of 20 pounds, or like 20 quid. And that also, there was oil, soy sauce, spices, and some fruits. There was other stuff, so this was under 20 quid, which is incredible. Let's go and cook that this week.